12 weeks. That's all it took for me to go from working 90 hours a week between 2 full-time jobs and doing DoorDash on the side to landing one job that paid me more than $70,000 a year starting out. And it only started with $500. No college degree, no previous experience. I'm Dre. This was me, 40 years old, battling depression, drowning in survival mode. But that $500 changed everything. So let me show you how I did it step by step. Be sure to wait around to the second step because it's probably the most important. Let's get to it.
Don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
The year is 2022 and I'm burnt out. Like 2 full-time jobs, clocking in from 8 to 5 at a desk, then 4 10-hour shifts per week overnight at an Amazon plant. And when I'm not doing those 2 things, I'm squeezing in DoorDash deliveries in between just to keep the bills paid. I was exhausted. Not only exhausted, I was angry. Like I was battling deep depression. And worst of all, man, I felt stuck. So one night while I'm out doing deliveries, I pull over mid-delivery. I'm looking at my hands on the steering wheel and I'm just asking, yo, was this it? I didn't just ask it, like I furiously screamed it, like with tears in my eyes. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Like, how did I get here? And that moment broke me, but it also built me. One night while I'm working at my Amazon shift, like I come across somebody that's talking about work from home opportunities they found through an online course. That's when I found Course Careers. Now, Course Careers is an online course that was promising to teach me about software sales, like no degree, no previous experience, and you can be job ready in under 90 days. Now, I know hearing that, the same thing I was feeling. Like I'm not even gonna lie, I was skeptical, but I also was broke. Ultimately, my skepticism was met with the disdain that I had from where I was at in life at that time. So look, it cost $500, but let's be real. When you live in paycheck to paycheck, $500 feels like $50,000. But something in me was like, hey yo, this is your shot. This is the chance to do it. So I enrolled, I committed, and I didn't look back. Here's exactly what I did from day 1 to week 12. Step 1, weeks 1 through 3. I got real crystal clear on what tech sales actually is. So I learned about B2B sales. I learned about SaaS technology. I learned about SDR roles, AE roles, the sales cycle. Like Course Careers gave me a full roadmap. Like it was no BS, no fluff, no theory, just real world training. And I finished the course and I earned my certificate. Now step 2 was weeks 3 through 5. This was about marketing my new skills to the marketplace. So I built my LinkedIn profile from scratch. Like I created a personal brand showing I was a certified professional, and I started networking daily like I was really one of them. Like I messaged reps, I booked calls, I asked smart questions. I treated it like it was another job. Week 6 through 8, I practiced mock interviews, I recorded videos, I refined my pitch. Most importantly, I realized that I was the product. So I learned the skills of how to market myself. Step 4, weeks 9 through 12, I applied and I applied and I applied. I think I applied to over 60 jobs, and I customized every single resume. Like I personalized my outreach to the recruiters, to the managers, to directors, even CEOs in some cases. Like I was determined, like I'm gonna be successful at this now that I have an opportunity. So I went in super prepared and I totally killed every interview that I went into. And then it happened. I got a job offer, a software sales role making over $75,000 a year, more than I was making with 3 jobs combined. I remember the call with the recruiter when she told me what the salary was. Like, I remember having a smile so big that I'm convinced she could see it over the phone. I wasn't happy because of the money in and of itself, but because it meant I didn't have to struggle like I was struggling before. Like it meant I could breathe. It was a fully remote position, so it meant I could be present as a father and as a husband. Like I felt like I could be human again. Today I wake up more refreshed, energized about work. Is life perfect? Absolutely not, but it's better than it was. Right? I work from home as long as I'm handling my business. They treat me like an adult, so I have some flexibility in my schedule. And now I'm in a position where I'm able to give back. Like in my free time, I'm now a coach on Course Careers. So I'm helping people just like me break free from survival mode and step into the new career. People who thought it was too late. People working night shift and side hustles just to survive. Those are my kind of people. So to break it all down again, I invested $500 into myself. I studied and I followed the Course Careers blueprint. I built a brand, I networked, and I learned the skills. I applied consistently and confidently, and I landed a job that changed my life. Really that simple. No secret sauce, no connections, no shortcuts, just discipline, discomfort, and a decision. So if you're watching this and you're where I was, you're tired, you're overworked, you're underpaid, and deep down you know there's more out there for you. I just want to let you know that you have a ton of options. Now, of course, because it's the route that I took personally, I would suggest you check out Course Careers. The intro to the course is completely free, so it costs you nothing to explore and find out if it's a good fit for you or not. If you do sign up, use the link in my description so that you get access to my personal help as a mentor and as a coach. I've been in your shoes, and now I help people lace their shoes up so that they can start running towards that better life. So if you got any questions, please leave them in the comments. I read each and every one of them, and I try to reply to each one. While you're there, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Ultimately, our community is here to help you successfully make the career pivot so that you can go into the industry and tell them our cut the tech model, which is this: don't play me, pay me. Cut the tech.
Don't play me. Pay me. Cut the tech.